Hello, my name is Stefan Skuman and I'm going to show some of the PADI registered hand signals for underwater communication. Beginning the dive, once you've dived into the water from the boat, you'll either show one hand to show OK or both hands if both hands are free. Going underwater, you'd either show OK or you'd show going down or going up. If something is wrong, you'd show a shaky hand and then point to the problem, either your mask, ears, BCD, regulator, anything that is a problem. It's a shaky hand. Being underwater, you'd also show if there is danger with a closed fist, either to the danger or showing with your finger and then showing a closed fist like this. There's also, if you are looking for your buddy or you're asking a question, you would show two fingers touching each other like this and pointing to your buddy or where is someone's buddy. Being underwater, you'd also say look at me, which is two fingers, or look at something else, pointing to whatever you want to look at. There's also your buddy, which is one finger in front, one finger behind. You either point to someone, follow me, and then follow me or follow that person. Underwater, there is also looking at your regulator, showing how many bars there is, and then you'd also show your number of fingers. There is one finger for 10 bars, so if I showed 10 fingers and 5 fingers after that, it's 150 bar that's left, if that is a question. So the regulator check is a question and an answer. There is also, if you are cold, you would show a shiver sign to either your buddy or the dive master. There is also, if you are either low on air, which is the pre-required, if it's 50 bar, 70 bar, whichever is decided upon on the dive, you would show a fist on your chest. If there's no air, you would show a cutout sign with hands on your neck. There is also share air regulator to your buddy or whoever is closest, depending on the situation. There is also a link up if there's strong currents. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Let's go just now. We're waiting for the other people to come.